Thanks for buying your bike from Moosejaw.com. You're just a few minutes away from being able to ride your bike over all the bubble wrap we sent you. Our bike mechanics, that's me, go through a detailed quality control checklist, ensuring everything is defect-free and operating correctly. We ship our bikes as close to complete as possible with minimal installation required, while also being well protected for shipment, hence all the bubble wrap. To assemble your bike, you'll need the following tools: a 5 Nm torque wrench, zip tie cutters, and a bike multi-tool. If you don't have access to zip tie cutters, regular scissors should work. Open the box and take the pieces not attached to the cardboard out first. This will vary bike to bike. Then take the frame out and put it on the box or table. Then pop some bubbles. Now go ahead and cut the zip ties. Give yourself a pat on the back because that's the hardest part. Attach the handlebars to the stem using an Allen wrench, then a torque wrench. Be sure not to over-tighten. Next, we'll attach the front wheel. First, remove the front axle from the fork. Attach the front wheel by simply placing it in the fork. Then insert the axle and tighten. When you attach the pedals, keep in mind that they're left and right specific. The right pedal goes on the right side on the drive side crank and tightens clockwise. The left pedal is reverse thread and goes on the left side crank. Your bike is now ready to ride. Lay out any non-pop bubble wrap and ride over it.